Hello folks, today I want to share with you another Contractor Cons. And what happened is that these folks get in here and they start demoing out the job. And they haven't done any other RRP, rules and regulations, lead abatement. And now what they've done is they've created an absolute nightmare. Look at all this dust. Look at all this drywall, plaster. Now the drywall's not as scares me as much, but this old plaster is definitely well over 100 years old, and you know it's full of lead. You know it's full of asbestos. Nobody's done any testing. Nobody's done any abatements to it, and now this home is really not unsafe to even be in. Luckily, I'm old and way past any of that kind of concerns. But if you have small children and you have something like this, this is devastating. This could kill your dogs. This lead and this asbestos can kill your dogs, kill your children. If it didn't, definitely, maybe if it didn't kill your children, it could definitely give them hurt them mentally. So this is a very big thing, and this is a construction con. They do this all the time, and they hurry up and start tearing out heck out of your house, and then leave you a mess and want more money. Hey, that's why we got the Construction Consumer Advocacy Institute to help people so they don't get hurt like this, or when they do, they have somebody to come to, like right now. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching our videos. God bless. Hey, hit like, subscribe, share with your friends. We would greatly appreciate it. You would be helping so many more people when you do this, and so just, hey, pass it on. Thanks, folks. Pay it forward. That's it. Pay it forward. God bless. Thank you, folks.